Alright, so check this little snow structure out. So here's a sapling, and it must have been consistently in the path of the wind, with the wind going in one consistent direction. And if you look at it this way, let's see if I can get a focus. Absolutely not. Yikes. Yikes. Anyway, it looks a lot like an airfoil if you see the cross section. Now, maybe that's just a round thing at the front and a natural taper back, but it's such an interesting structure. And I wonder if that actually is, I wonder how this is interacting with air going around it. If it's actually forming an airfoil shape and producing lift, or if it's just making a natural lee